Yeah, it's Saturday. It's weekend for some people, but here in UAE, some people resume duty on Saturday. So back home, 3 days off. Wow, enough rest. It's weekend. It's very hot now. It's summer. For those of you who have visited UAE or you're in UAE, Ramadan is over, but it is still extremely hot. So I want to do my carrot orange lemon juice. So I said, let me take you guys to the kitchen. If this is your first time visiting, it's your girl Antoinette. Watch this video, leave your comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I'm having my head wrapped today. How do I look in it? To my returning subscribers, you guys rock. I'm here because of you guys. Without you, I am zero. So guys, let's go into my kitchen. So guys, to do my carrots, orange and lemon juice, I have already chopped my carrot. This is 2 large carrot that I have washed, peeled and chopped already. I have my ginger, small amounts of ginger, my lemon and my orange. So I'll have to peel my orange. After I already washed the orange, I'll peel my orange and chop it in small pieces. Into my blender. I have to do same with the lemon. Chop the lemon into small pieces, and into my blender I go. So I'll now add in my ginger and the carrots too. And here guys is my ice cube ice. So I'm putting in my ice to make the juice cool. But if you don't have ice cube, you can do your juice and put it into the freezer for it to get cool before you could consume it. So I'm gonna blend everything together. Adding a little bit of water. I don't want my juice to be too thick. I like a little bit of water. So guys, I'm done blending. I have to now extract the juice from the jar with my sieve. Unfortunately, I can't lay hands on the big sieve right now, so I'm just have to go with this one. So guys, this juice is very rich. It gives you energy, and all know carrot is an antioxidant. And there's one thing I missed out to introduce in the recipe. I'll be adding a little bit of honey. We all know the benefits of honey. And honey is an energizer, especially now when places are extremely hot. When you go out under this hot sun, you really need something to replenish your energy. So why not try this recipe? Try taking carrot, orange, lemon juice. It will be very helpful. It's very nice. Do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for your kids. It's very good, guys. I wonder how long I'm going to drink this using this small seed. But anyway, I just have to manage. You can see there goes the rest stuff. There goes the juice. And here is the chaff. I'll be disposing this one because I've really extracted everything from it. It's useless. I'll be disposing that. So it's good to try this. Try this, it's very good, it's rich. I'll be coming up with different juice recipe that you can easily do at home during this period of summer that is very hot. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so that each time I upload another juicy video, you'll be the first to be notified, guys. So far I have managed to extract this quantity. The other I'll do it later because I don't want this video to be too long. So this is what we have. This is our juice. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this, guys. Wow, so nice. So I'll go in with my honey. This is honey, natural honey from home, from Cameroon, exactly from Banda. So I'll just go in with my honey to make it a bit sweet and give it that wow, nice taste. So guys, I've added honey inside. Wow, try this at home and leave down your comment. It's a very nice juice to take. So this is my carrot orange lemon juice with a little honey in it, guys. Try this during this hot summer period to refresh yourself, to regain back your energy after work, after business, or after going out to do whatever thing you went out to do. It's very nice. Try it. Hope you love it. Hope you love the video. Leave down your comment and please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that each time I'll be coming up with another fruit recipe, you'll be the first to be notified. With that said and done, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.